World Strong Rubber Company Limited was founded in 2007, passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 13485, and IATF 16949. Devoted to the research and manufacture of precision-molded silicone LSR rubber, plastic, and die-cutting parts. Factory include 10 sets CNC machines, 2 sets high-speed CNC machine, 6 EDM machines, 4 sets milling machines, 46 sets silicone rubber compression machines, from 50 tons to 400 tons, 15 sets rubber injection machines, 11 sets LSR injection machine with 10,000 grade dust-free workshop, and 3 sets special customized wire harness connector machines. The maximum mold size we can make is 1.2 meters times 0.75 meter. WSR can make rubber formula as customer special requirements and mixed rubber material by automatic rubber mixing system. Main material we use are silicone, LSR, natural rubber, nitrile rubber, HNBR, EPDM, FKM, PU, FFKM. Digital applications we use are ERP, WMS, and MES system. Our main line is EV, automotive, medical, industrial, household, appliance, electric accessory, and so on. Quality is our life. The strict quality control process and testing method allow us to be the supplier of Jonhon, Amphenol, Busbar, Tongmao, BYD, Xiaopeng, Ford, BMW, Foxconn, Flextronic, and Emerson. Look forward to be your reliable partner for rubber parts.